In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer videos from MacBook to iPhone using a cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using a cable is one of the most reliable methods to transfer any files that you have on one Apple device to another. Of course, because both of these devices are developed, manufactured by Apple, transferring files, videos, photos, whatever is seamless and incredibly simple. Connect one end of a cable into the iPhone and the other one into your MacBook. Once you have the connection established, if you open Finder, you will be able to see your iPhone, so it is going to appear here, usually under Locations. So you will have your iPhone appearing under Finder. Now you can browse through all of the categories related to your iPhone. So general, music, movies, TV shows, and then most importantly, photos. Inside of photos, you will also be able to find your videos. So choose this option among all of these tabs. Inside of here, you will be able to synchronize the photos from the Photos app on your Mac device, and you can choose to synchronize them into your iPhone. So this particular method is going to be wonderful if you have a lot of videos or even a full album of photos and videos that you would like to transfer. Of course, you can still transfer them individually by using Finder, but I want to showcase this method because I believe it is going to make it much more convenient if you are transferring a lot of files. So you can choose to synchronize everything that is on the Photos app on your Mac or selected albums only. Make sure to include videos, and you can choose between only favorites and automatically include photos and videos from a specific period. Now, under the albums category, you will be able to browse through all of them. If needed, create a new album. So you can create a new album by using the Photos app, and in here you can input or store all of the videos, photos, files, and everything that you are going to be transferring. Once you have all of them inside of this album, go back inside of that Finder view, and you will be able to find the new album that you created. Make sure that it is highlighted here, so you select it to be transferred and then synchronize. This will take the album from the Photos app on your Mac and send it over to your iPhone, so everything will be available on both the Mac and the iPhone. Like I said before, you can also simply open Finder and transfer individual files if you prefer. So, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.